The four pillars of life. In the journey of life, we encounter four fundamental pillars that shape our existence. The first pillar revolves around our job or profession. That means through which we earn a livelihood, maintain our households, and support our loved ones. The second pillar encompasses our physical well-being. Within our bodies, 12 intricate systems work tirelessly to meet our various needs. They facilitate our daily activities from digestion to respiration, from the circulatory system to the nervous system, from our senses to detoxification. Our body operates seamlessly. And to maintain a healthy lifestyle, we need not do anything extraordinary. However, at times, we might overlook this innate harmony and inadvertently disturb the balance, leading to discomfort and health issues. The third pillar of our lives is all about the people we are connected to. This includes our family members, both close and distant, our friends, people we know, and how we interact with society and the community. These relationships have a big effect on how happy and fulfilling we feel. When our relationships are positive and supportive, life becomes more enjoyable and full of energy. But when there are problems or conflicts in these relationships, life can become difficult and tense. And the fourth and final pillar is our mind and the constant self-dialogue that takes place within us. Our mind is an ever-watchful observer, analyzing every detail and thought that arises. It is the epicenter of our consciousness and the source of our thoughts, emotions, and ideas. States of the mind. Often we feel different emotions all of a sudden. Sometimes we might ask ourselves, why I am thinking about small things so much? Or why are my thoughts not very exciting? It's important to notice these wandering thoughts and think about why we have them. The remarkable aspect of these diverse thoughts is that they are uniquely human. Let me illustrate this with an analogy. Envision a chariot drawn by 8 horses, with a charioteer struggling to control their individual directions. This mirrors the state of our mind, a state of diverse thinking. On the other hand, we can also achieve a focused mind when our thoughts are resolute and determined. They transcend the opinions and obligations imposed by others. Instead, they emanate from our own aspirations and innermost desires. In this state of concentration, our minds are not clouded by indecisiveness or confusion. Rather, we become enthusiastic, joyful, and eager to pursue our goals. With our bodies aligning seamlessly with our minds, time seems to lose its significance as we become wholly absorbed in our pursuits. And the third state of mind is akin to meditation. a state where we merge with limitless possibilities and creative values. Here we transcend the limitations of our everyday challenges and connect with our inner potential. To sum up, the diverse state of mind reveals our challenges. The focus state demonstrates our skills, and the meditative state takes us beyond all questions and limitations. By understanding and nurturing these four pillars of life and mastering our states of mind, we can create a fulfilling and purposeful existence. Thank you.